One version in a real life. One version. Them say me nah boss swear. That me hear enough say. Me fi stay with the crofts there. Them try every little thing for stop the success. Although the road rugged and rough, me no give up. The amount of struggles for my face, man I fi give thanks in a real life. In a real life. I pray, man I pray, and I go and hold the faith in a real life. In a real life. The amount of struggles for my face, man I fi give thanks in a real life. In a real life. Enough used to say me not rich nowhere, but still one day I survive. Well, enough see me smile and know my life unhappy more while a little rice and mackerel. Still me hold the faith and I call pan Selassie for make it in a life. Me know man happy. People might see me and smile and believe say everything fine and just through them can't see the inside more while man happy. Tug it out when hungry I twist stripe cause life it rocky like a hill ride. The amount of struggles on my face man happy give thanks in a real life. In a real life. Pray me I pray and I go and hold the faith in a real life. Real life. Struggles on my face, man I fi give thanks in a real life. In a real life. Enough used to say me not rich nowhere, but still me I survive. More while me have to sit down and I wonder how the wicked gone through and good people stuck and can't move. More while little brother, little sister can't go to school. Mommy stress, sometimes she confused. Yeah, me have to wonder why life so hard. Nothing not change although we try so hard. Yeah, sometimes I feel to give up. Me really feel to give up. Me beg you apply, oh Lord. Got the struggles on my face, man I fi give thanks in a real life. In a real life. I pray and I go and hold the faith in a real life. In a real life. Struggles on my face, man I fi give thanks in a real life. In a real life. Enough used to say me not rich nowhere, dirty bad mind. Well, enough see me smile and know my life unhappy more while a little rice and mackerel. Still me hold the faith and I call pan Selassie for make it in a life.